Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. This is the first smartphone come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 SoC with 7550 mAh battery, 50 megapixel main camera. It's been full month since I started using the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro aka Poco F7 and today I am going to give my honest long time review. Should you buy it? Let's dive in. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro featuring a sleek design with a glass front and glass back, aluminum frame and very comfort in a hand feel. It's not too heavy, not too light, just right for long use. The matte finish keeps fingerprint away and the camera module, it's got that premium flagship vibe and the phone also comes with IP68 rating, so overall the phone build quality is solid. Moving to the display, you can get 6.83-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is great even under sunlight because it comes with 3200 nits of peak brightness. Watching Netflix, YouTube and gaming super impressive and I have not noticed any color shift at an extreme angle. And the security wise the phone comes with under display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock. The smartphone powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 SoC that is a beast. With up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage with UFS 4.1, after a month, multitasking is still a flawless and gaming performance is top notch. Software-wise, the phone running HyperOS 2 and running Android 15 and the phone also get 3 years of OS update and no overheating in a daily use. Now let's talk about the gaming experience. I am playing Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile smoothly and very soon Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile long-term gaming review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, don't miss the video. Moving to the camera section, the phone comes with a dual camera setup, 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 20 megapixel selfie camera. Main camera daylight photos are sharp, dynamic range is excellent and the color are too natural. In low light it's good but not flagship level. Video recording maximum out at 4K 60fps and the stabilization is decent for casual use. And the smartphone dedicated camera review also coming our channel very soon, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And the smartphone powered by huge 7550 mAh battery with 90W adapter, so you can get easily 2-day battery life. So after using the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro for a month, I can confidently say that it's one of the best value for money phone right now in 2025. That is for long time review. Let me know in the comment what you think about the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tech content like this. See you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.